This scissors is dull. I'll show you how to sharpen it. What you need for this operation is a piece of sandpaper. This one is 220, 150, 180, 120 is also good. 100 is pushing it, it's a little too coarse. And a piece of glass. I got this float glass here with some sandpaper stuck on it on the other side purposefully. Just any piece of flat glass or float glass will do. And it helps if your scissors comes apart because it's easier to sharpen it, but it will work this way as well. So we're gonna sharpen it like so. The surfaces that you need to sharpen. Okay, let me show you where the edge is on the scissors. And it's gonna be a close-up. Let me just figure out how to hold it. Thereabouts. This would be the cutting edge on the scissors, that surface there. This main bevel here, don't worry about it. It's got nothing to do with cutting. So you need to make this edge here. Okay, wait a sec. That one, this edge here, nice and uniform. To do that, you need to work on this side of the scissors and very little on this surface of the metal here. And this one, let's say that's an extreme close-up here. Okay, you get the idea. So don't touch this main bevel. And my wife says, oh, it's serrated, you can't do it. Well, look close. Just a sec. Thereabouts. The serration doesn't run all the way to the cutting edge. The cutting edge is here, and the serration starts just here. After this, this would be the main. This would be the cutting bevel here on the scissors, and serration only runs between the cutting bevel and the main bevel there. So don't worry about it. However, some scissors that are serrated and the serration runs out all the way to the edge, you can only sharpen it on this side, on the back side. So what I did was something like this. Sharpen one side, and you can see my scratch marks on it running somewhat in this direction. I couldn't remove those 3 deep nicks in the blade. Just give me a sec. Wait for the camera to focus. Thereabouts. There. So those 3 nicks, whatever bone or whatever was cut with it, I don't know. Those 3 I didn't remove at this time because that would require too much metal to be removed. And this one is factory original. I haven't done anything to it yet. And you can see scratch marks as it comes out of the factory running on it this way. And on this one, which I touched, you can see some of those factory original marks removed and replaced by marks running this way. So what you need to do is, this is called lapping the blade, okay? Just put it down on a flat piece of glass, put some sandpaper on it. This is a very dull sandpaper, but this will make the back side of the scissors nice and flat. And when it comes to the edge, this is what you do. You put it down on its edge, and then you have to rotate and watch it. Something like, put your head down here. Hope you can kind of see what I'm doing. Put your head down here and find where that bevel is, and very carefully just remove any nicks from the cutting edge only. There you can see I started working on the cutting surface, and yeah, I don't know how much you can see out of this on with this light and with this camera, but yeah, you can see that I'm not touching the serration, the serrated part. I need to save it, so I was just running this surface of the scissors, this one here, on the sandpaper, just very carefully. So that's how it is done. It needs good eyes and steady hands. Have fun with it.